Your liver is working overtime to keep you alive. But here's the scary truth. Most of us don't even realize it's crying out for help until it's too late. In today's video, I'm breaking down 10 weird signs that your liver is in serious trouble. These are symptoms you are probably ignoring right now. So stick around because your health depends on it. Before we dive into the warning signs, let's quickly talk about why your liver is so important. Your liver is a superhero of your body, filtering toxins, producing bile for digestion, and storing nutrients you need to thrive. But when your liver is overwhelmed or damaged, your body starts sending out SOS signals. And here is the kicker, they are not always obvious. Word sign 1, yellowing of your eyes or skin, also known as jaundice. First on the list, yellowing of your eyes or skin, which is also known as jaundice. This happens when your liver can't process bilirubin, a substance your body produces when it breaks down red blood cells. The result? A yellowish tint that is impossible to miss. If you notice this, don't brush it off. It could indicate serious liver damage or diseases like hepatitis. Word sign 2, itchy skin that won't go away. Next up, unexplained persistent itching. Believe it or not, itchy skin can be a warning sign of bowel buildup in your bloodstream. A classic indicator that your liver isn't functioning properly. This isn't your everyday itch from dryness. It's often intense and doesn't respond to typical treatment. If that sounds familiar, it's time to get checked out. Weird sign 3, swollen abdomen or legs. Have you noticed swelling in your abdomen or legs? This could be fluid retention caused by liver damage, a condition known as ascites. It's not just bloating, it's a sign your liver isn't processing blood properly. If your swelling is persistent and painful, don't ignore it. This could be a sign of advanced liver disease. Weird sign 4, bad breath or body odor. Here's one you probably didn't expect, bad breath or unusual body odor. When your liver can't filter toxins effectively, those toxins start escaping through your breath and sweat. This symptom is often mistaken for poor hygiene, but it could be your liver crying out for help. Weird sign 5, brain fog and extreme fatigue. The fifth sign, as said already, brain fog and extreme fatigue. If your liver isn't doing its job, toxins build up in your bloodstream and that affects your brain. This can make you feel sluggish, forgetful, and constantly tired even after a full night's sleep. Chronic fatigue is one of the most overlooked symptoms of liver damage, but it's a major red flag. Red sign 6, dark urine or pale stool. Ever notice your urine looking unusually dark or your stool turning pale? This might not just be dehydration. It could mean your liver isn't producing or processing bile properly. Dark urine often indicates an issue with bilirubin levels, while pale stool suggests a lack of bile flow. It's subtle but could signal something serious. Weird sign 7, spider-like blood vessels on your skin. Here's a surprising one. Tiny spider-like blood vessels appearing on your skin. These are called spider aglomas and they are linked to high estrogen levels. When the liver can't break down hormones effectively, if you are spotting this, especially around your upper body, it's time to consult a doctor. Where sign 8, unexplained bruising. Are you bruising easily without any reason? This can happen when your liver isn't producing enough clotting factors. Unexplained bruises might seem harmless at first, but they are a silent alarm your liver could be struggling. Red sign 9, swollen breast in men, also known as gynecomastia. Fellas, this one's for you. If you've been noticing swelling or tenderness in your chest area, it might be more than just hormones acting up. Liver dysfunction can lead to hormonal imbalances, causing a condition called gynecomastia. It's a sensitive topic, but catching this early can make a huge difference. Word sign 10, changes in personality or mood. And finally, personality or mood changes. If you or someone you love has been feeling irritable, anxious, or even disoriented lately, the liver might be to blame. This is called hepatic encephalopathy, a condition caused by toxins building up in the brain when the liver can't filter them out. This can be a scary symptom, but it's one of the most important to recognize early. What you can do to protect your liver. So, what can you do if the signs sound familiar? The good news is your liver is one of the only organs in your body that can regenerate, but you have to take care of it. Here are 3 quick tips to support liver health. Eat a liver friendly diet rich in leafy greens, garlic, and turmeric. Stay away from alcohol and processed food. Also, stay hydrated and get regular exercise. It's never too late to make changes, but the first step is recognizing the warning signs and taking action. There you have it, 10 red signs that your liver might be in trouble. Remember, your liver works hard for you every single day. Show it some love by staying informed and making healthy choices. Every share, every like, and every comment helps raise awareness about liver health. So if you found this helpful, hit that thumbs up button, subscribe for more health tips, and share this with someone who needs to know. Together, we can save lives one liver at a time. Take care of yourself, and I will see you in the next video.